Hey Ranger Nation, so today we have another review, which is the belt buckle from Ryusoulger. So basically here we have the Red Ranger and we can see the belt buckle. We see like you get a soul with it, you can put the souls in the kind of like belt buckle. Inside you can put it in the container and you can attach your sword to the belt. So on the back we have the lovely different amounts here. So we have like push your souls in the belt buckle itself. And then we have the actual sword, and it says what you get up here, and then it shows you some extra stuff that you can place in the helmet. So that's kind of cool. On the very bottom has the Ryusoulgers, and at the top has Red Ranger, and it shows you what you get. So it does, it shows you the soul inside. So let's open up this bad boy and have a look inside. Before we begin this video, if you want to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as the cheeky notification bell, because you'll be notified when more videos drop. Now I know this is not going to fit me, but this is the kind of the strap you get. I'm not a thin person. Then you get the belt buckle, which when you push this up, boom! It's not really much there. It's like a really thin plastic. So inside is the soul holder, and then that is for your sword, which is kind of cool. So you got the insignature, whatever, the logo. So we'll try that out. And then this is where you put your souls in there. So let's try it out actually. Let's put one soul in. On this here, you can just basically attach them like so. Like that. And let's put the limited edition one in there. So that's kind of cool. So it holds it like that. Now I really wish they would sell these parts separately, because you could have them all over the wall. I like that. I generally really do. I think that's really cool. And then just pulling them out, it's very easy enough to do. So yeah, that's really cool. I like that. In the series, you're able to hold the soul. So basically turn it like that and it sits in. Not really a lot, to be fair. Doesn't come out that hard. You have to pull it out. So literally, but you pull it out. That's really cool. I like that. I think that's really nice. But to be fair, the only thing you're really getting for this is the soul. I didn't think they would come with one. Maybe I thought, like, in the past when you've had, like, the Gokaija stuff, you know, when you bought the belt buckle, you've got another kind of, like, key for the series. But I'm guessing you get those with the Zords. Looking at this, I generally really like the look of it. It's very kind of orange. Very well done, Mark. But it looks kind of awesome. So let's flip it. So the night, it looks really nice, to be fair. I really like these. So let's put it in the Morpher and see what happens. So not really a sound for that one, which I'm very kind of disheartened with. So let's put it in the sword. Goes in like so. And again. That's really cool. I like the end where it's like boom, 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 boom. That's nice. That is nice. Let's try again. Let's hold it in. Oh, nice. It's like, hi, new soul. How are you? Boo boo. Yeah, that's cool. To be honest, the only reason why you're going to get the belt buckle is so you can get the soul for it. I think that's cool. But to be fair, there's not a lot to the belt buckle, so I'm going to leave it here. So if you've liked this video, like, favorite, comment, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell to be notified when the more videos drop. And as always, Rangers, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.